Hey guys, I'm back with another toxin reduction tip for you. Let's avoid a lot of the harmful toxins in these plastics by transferring them to glass containers once you get home. We bought this large jar at Michael's for our nuts. We also use leftover jars for other things. The more things that you can transfer from plastic to glass, the better. Like cacao, almond butter, nuts, and so many other things. So start saving your old jars and put this toxin reduction tip into practice.
We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with anyone who you think would benefit. We appreciate you guys. Wishing you a happy and healthy day.
Bye.